Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's practice, we'll explore how to deal with obsessive thoughts and worries. Find a comfortable seat. Lengthen your spine without hardening your back. Gently close your eyes and soften your forehead. Relax your face, your jaw, your neck, and allow your shoulders to release. Now turn towards your breath. Take a few deep breaths and let your whole body soften every time you exhale. And now, settle back into your natural breathing. Imagine you are standing in front of a peaceful, open country road. At the end of the road is a deep sense of calm and tranquility. Notice how you feel in this moment, standing in front of this road. And now, imagine taking just a single step, one step closer to calm. Now, take another, and another, and another. You are moving closer and closer to relaxation. Your walk is easy and comfortable, and as you go at your own pace, you feel yourself calmer, more relaxed. Keep walking down this peaceful road. You are almost at the end now, and you are feeling serene and steady. Now you've reached the sense of total tranquility at the end of the road. From this place of calm, bring to mind an obsessive thought or worry that you sometimes struggle with. There may be a behavior you've associated with these thoughts, like counting or checking the stove is off before leaving the house. Know that even if you don't engage in these behaviors, nothing bad is going to happen. Notice your thoughts without doing anything to relieve the stress or anxiety they may cause you. Know that just like with any thoughts we have, these thoughts will not continue on forever. Even if you don't follow through with the behavior you've associated with these types of thoughts, they will pass. And the anxiety that accompanies them will also pass. So for this moment, Simply allow the discomfort without fighting it. Trust that you are in a safe place, and consciously turn your attention to your breath again. Direct your attention to your nostrils and feel your breath moving in and out of your body as it passes through the opening of your nose. Cool air entering with your inhalations, warmth exiting with your exhalations. And now, scan your body. Start at your feet and work your way up. Notice any areas that feel tense, and when you reach one, pause there. Take a breath or two, consciously relaxing the tension in your muscles in those areas. And keep moving up your body, feeling into areas of tension and breathing relaxation into them. Notice your body is a little calmer, your breath a little steadier, even though you didn't engage in the behaviors associated with your obsessive thought or worry. Instead, by focusing on your breath and your body relaxing, you were able to take the edge off of your anxiety. And now, bring to mind a situation associated with your obsessive thought or worry. Perhaps you worry about getting sick, so you compulsively wash your hands. Or you always triple check your front door is locked when you leave the house because you think someone might break in. Whatever it is for you, imagine yourself in that situation. And imagine a response that is healthy and free of anxiety. Picture yourself having a different response to your thoughts. You shake someone's hand and feel warmth towards them. You leave your house, lock the door, and walk away. And reenact this scene in your mind a few times. You are calm and serene. Your obsessive thoughts or worries have no hold on you. When obsessive thoughts arise, they can feel overwhelming. We lose touch with where we are, and our mind can easily spin out. It takes time and practice, but in those moments, we can turn to our breath and our body. And as we use our breath to relax tension in our muscles, we invite a slightly calmer state. In this state, we can remind ourselves that thoughts and anxiety will pass, and that we can get through the moment by consciously redirecting our attention elsewhere. Through your meditation, rehearse a healthy response to your worries so that you will be able to put them into practice when the thought occurs in your day-to-day. So the next time an obsessive thought arises, remind yourself that your thoughts have no power over you, that you are in control, and that this will get easier and it will go away. Recall the healthy alternative behaviors you've practiced and act them out. Now notice your body in space and bring your awareness back into the room around you. When you're ready, gently move your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed today's session. See you again soon.